Okay, hi, thanks for sharing your plan. I've got it open in my copy of X8, which is the big brother to Suite 2017. I'm going to mark this plan so that I can post it, and you can use it if you want. And I'm going to turn the grid off. I don't use the grid. The first thing I noticed when I clicked in here is that your stairs overlap your room divider wall, and that's not okay. You either need to make the stairs narrower or make the area wider. What I would do, since we have a little space here, I'm going to move the divider over. I don't think that's, oh, that's a dimension line. We delete that and grab the room divider and pull it over just outside the stair, so it includes the stair. Now that doesn't have anything to do with what you're complaining of. I'm just saying, and I would change the name of the space over here to something like that. I'll turn that so it's a little bit neater drafting wise. Put that over there. Okay, so the reason you can't do it is because you've created a foundation already and it's not partitioned like the floor above, and it has to be. So I'm going to turn on the reference display and we can see where that room divider line is in red. Oh, it's not straight. Let me fix that. Use the parallel tool and just parallel that up. You don't want to have a crooked wall in your plan if you can avoid it. Okay, I'm going to go back to the down here and I'm going to just select wall tools and foundation wall. I'm going to draw a wall right underneath that room divider wall. I'm going to change this to raised area. It's just, you have to understand that this software is kind of a robot, and it's not a smart robot. It's smartly built, but it's not smart in and of itself. You have to apply the smarts. So now with this area separated from this area, we should be now able to, I can turn the reference display off. Take this, and let's see what this is first. Minus 14. And I think in your post you said, let's see where, I got your post on my second monitor. Okay, now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 steps here. 4 times 7 is 28, so this doesn't make any sense. Let's just take a look at this in an elevation camera. I realize Suite doesn't have a decent elevation camera, but Premiere does. We'll just look at from the viewpoint of the camera to where I let the mouse go. See, stairs are going below the floor as it is anyway. So this is kind of confusing to me. That's too many risers. If you're going to minus 14 here, and this is 5 inches higher than the minus 14. Let's see, you said I have a 5-inch high by 36-inch wide raised section. Well, see, stairs need to be a minimum of 39 inches. That's the reason I made it a little bit wider to accommodate the proper width for stairs, which you probably didn't know about. Okay. I'm reading your post again. Well, 5 inches high relative to what? With these, if this is 1, 2, 3, 4 risers, that's 4 times 7 is 28 inches. So this ought to be minus 28. And if you want this lower, then it'll have to be lower than that. I don't know what you actually want to do, but I'm going to set this to minus 28. And this is all relative to the 0 over here of the house. Go over the structure tab of the house, and it's at 0 inches. Now I've set this at minus 28, and then you would have to set this a bit lower. I'm going to set it 5 inches lower to be 28 plus 5 would be minus 33. Now let's take a look at that. And again, I don't know what's real, if this is a remodeling job or you're creating a custom house, but this now works. See, the number of risers goes down to the floor, and let's see if we can see it. Yeah, you can see that there's a drop here now. Let me go to a vector view camera so you can see this better. There they are. Vector view. Yeah. Well, it's actually sticking through the floor a little bit. Well, it's not perfect, but it is working now. And the main thing you missed was you have to partition the foundation below so that these two areas, floor to floor, can be modulated the way you wanted to. Let's just take a look here. The dollhouse camera. You can see that there's this, yeah, you can see the step in the floor now. And we'll go up a floor. Let's see, I want to go over to that camera. There it is. And I don't want to see the floor below. Well, that didn't help. See if I can go in there a little bit. Tell you what, I'm going to turn the car off. The car's on what layer? I forget. Furniture exterior. Okay, we'll turn that layer off. That's not what I want. I want layer display options. There it is. And then it's fixtures, exterior. Huh? Didn't work. Well, doodle dabble. I thought that car said that it was on furniture. Okay, not fixtures, but furniture. My bad. Okay, so we got it done now. It's that's sticking out up over there. I'm just going to click on it. I can't do this in Suite, but in Premiere and Pro you can. Just adjust that wall polyline a little bit. See, now that's I think we've accommodated the stairs and we dropped the floor here from here to here. And you don't have to have Premiere to do this. In a Suite, maybe like this little adjustment I did here, you can't do that, but everything else I've done, you should be able to do in Suite, okay? Hope this helps you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.